You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make me so far. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know the other girls will love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall.
Hello people! Andito ako sa andito na ako sa Alona. Konting push na lang, andyan na ako sa Alona Beach. Ang oras is 8:35 ng umaga. Ang aga pa. So maghahanap ako ng restaurant kung saan ako pwede mag-breakfast. Okay, 12:01 na and aalis na ako dito sa Alona Beach. Kukunin ko na yung maleta ko dun sa may luggage service and then pupunta na ako sa Tagbilaran Port. Yun yung gagawin natin. Pero ito yung Alona Beach ngayon. Grabe ang alon. Okay, let's go girl. Kasi makikipaglaban pa tayo sa ano, tricycle. Tama. Grabe yung alon, no? Kaya pala, tingnan mo girl, oh, yung water. Kaya pala grabe yung ano, babasa ka. May crab ba dito? Ito kaya, magtanong kaya tayo. Siguro kung hindi pa madilim, hindi ako matatakot. Kasi padilim na kasi.
May
Tapos
ano tanong, gamit mga
may
card,
gamit
ano.
eh. Oh. Tapos syempre mag-Google Maps pa tayo.
Oh, ikaw pa yung taga-Google.
Oo.
Tapos may malita ka pa na sa
True.
imong gitna.
Siguro kung nakailang beses na tayong dumaan.
May bidik ko pang ay diri.
Saan?
Ay, naara ba utay itiim girl oh.
Babalik naman tayo sa susunod na araw.
Under maintenance sa iPhone.
Balik talaga tayo dito.
Balik ta diri no.
Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo eh. Welcome to Siquijor!
Ito yung church.
Oh, nakita ko lagi yan sa YouTube.
Pwede mo na akong matabangan, ma'am. Dalan mo na akong motor dito.
Uy, ang ganda no. Ay, parang may live band ata. Uy, girl.
You know just what you do. You do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppets.
Thank you. Okay lang?
Next day you hit me back like nothing happened.
Cheers tayo. Oo, dali.
What about all the things you used to
Sa akin vlog, sa'yo story.
This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know
Man.
I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No.
Stuck on you, got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. There's a far away.
O pala. Nag-duet. Duet sila. Oo nga. Hello everybody. Ang tagal-tagal ko bago nakapag-update. Pero ang oras is mga 10:30 something. Kasama ko na si She. Hello. And umaambon dito sa Siquijor. Dito na kami sa Siquijor. And yun nga, umaambon. Bukas pa. Ayun, bukas girl. Pupunta kami dito sa may island. 4 hours ata to convenience store. Yan, dito kami pupunta. Nanggaling na kami dito kanina. Kaso, may nakalimutan lang. So, balik.